To so many things, I think you must be getting scared that you should not take the decision of pursuing English honors. No, but stop here. My purpose is not to scare you guys. Rather, I just want to make you clear. Like clarity should be there in your mind. English honors is not difficult actually. It is very easy, but only for those students who have that creative bent of mind, who are ready to devote a lot of time of theirs, who have interest in reading so many writers and so many books and so many, you can say, poets and dramas and everything. इंग्लिश ऑनर्स कर रहे हो? अच्छा, मेरी तरह टीचर बनना चाहते हो? Great. No, it's not compulsory that if you are pursuing English honors, you can go only for teaching as a career. If you are doing English honors, then you can go for so many other career options as well. Like you can go for BJMC, you can go for creative writing, you can become a writer, you can go for HRA jobs, you can do MBA, you can do your own business, you can become anything, whatever you want. So this is just a myth that after doing English honors only you can become a teacher. कर रहे हो वो तो बहुत इजी है. बस 2-4 कहानियां पढ़ो, 2-4 ऐसी पतली पतली किताबें पढ़ो, बस हो जाएगी आपकी इंग्लिश ऑनर्स. इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट रीडिंग अ फ्यू स्टोरीज एंड सम स्मॉल बुक्स. There is so much more to study about so many writers and authors and poets. Actually, as in your 12th standard, you had to read only one story and then you have to answer questions related to that in your exams. But that is not the case in English honors. Here you will have to study everything related to that author. Like only reading one poem or reading only one story will not be enough. Rather, you will have to study the complete history of that work and that writer, like in what circumstances that book was written, when that poet or that particular writer was born, what was the socio-economic and cultural conditions of that era. You will have to study so much. So don't think that English is so easy. इंग्लिश ऑनर्स तो सिर्फ आर्ट्स वाले स्टूडेंट्स ही कर सकते हैं ना. Art students can take English honors. No, if you are from commerce stream or if you are from science stream, then also you can go for English honors. But the condition is same, that you must be ready to change your mindset. Plus, you should be ready to devote a lot of time for creative things. Like earlier, you had a practical bent of mind, but now you need to have a creative sort of mind, so that you must enjoy whatever you are going to do. मेरे तो मार्क्स बहुत कम है, मुझे लग रहा है मुझे कहीं और एडमिशन नहीं मिलेगा, तो इंग्लिश ऑनर्स ही कर लेती हूँ. Don't do this mistake of going for English honors only because you couldn't get admission in any other course or any other desired college. English honors is not such a thing. If you have that creative bent of mind, if you like reading stories, if you want to know more about people and you want to explore new destinations on daily basis, then only you should go for English honors. मेरी इंग्लिश कुछ ज्यादा अच्छी नहीं है. एक आइडिया, इंग्लिश ऑनर्स कर लेती हूँ, मेरी स्पोकन इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव हो जाएगी. English honors has nothing to do with your spoken English. If your spoken English is not that good, don't think that after doing English honors you will improve your spoken English. Because English honors is more about reading and writing and thinking so much apart from only speaking. Are preparing for UPSC and thinking of doing English honors just on the side. No, it's not a side thing. You will have to devote so much time for English honors because it is not something that you can do just as a time pass or just for examination purpose. Otherwise, you will have to regret because you won't be able to clear the exams. There is so much to study in English honors, and moreover, the things which you are going to study in English honors, they are not going to be useful in your UPSC preparation. Thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope I have tried to clarify all your doubts and your myths related to English honors, and now hopefully you will be able to decide whether you have to go for this course or not. Keep watching the videos and subscribe to my channel if you want to have many more such videos. And if you found the video interesting and useful,